Alanya, as winter approaches, it's time for comfort food. Soups, stews, and warm bowls of goodness, just like Mom used to make. Now, good cooks deserve great cookware, and that's why one lucky foodie is going to get the chance to win their very own slow cooker this month, so you can make your own steaming bowl of yum. A slow cooker makes for easy, heartwarming meals every night of the week. My top tips: always season and brown your chicken well before placing it in the slow cooker. Place any root vegetables at the bottom of the cooker, as that will take longer to cook. Add your sauce early in the cooking process, as it adds moisture and prevents the chicken from sticking to the cooker. It also adds delicious flavor to your dish. Remember, to go slow, you've got to move fast. To enter and win, follow the link and sign up to our monthly newsletter. Answer one simple question and go into the draw to win your very own slow cooker. That's quick and easy, just like my recipe. Stay tuned to our platforms and watch me recreate some of my favorite slow cooker dishes. Quick and easy, simple and delicious. Happy cooking and good luck.